So the collection stemmed from a very, very personal space. I'm a great believer of internal energy and vibration. And I feel like each one of us holds an aura, and it is our auras that connect with each other. So the whole collection was based on these auras and how we connect with each other, with nature, with this planet, with every other living being, and then the universe. So it was bringing our internal light and expressing it through our second skin, which is our clothes. I think Shweta's been wonderful. She's been an amazing person. She does so much work herself, which is so meaningful, whether it is encouraging women who have lesser opportunity, whether it's creating platforms for women, and I think she's such a superhero in her own right. So a true resonance with what the brand stands for within Nivedita. Harsh and this is fortunately not the first time we're working together. So we love each other's design sensibility, and I think our auras match when we bring them down to creating stuff. And I've loved dressing up Harsh. Almost for the past 10 years now. Yeah, almost for the past 10 years. So whether it's his own personal style of being really chilled out and cool and loving his samurai pants and loving his asymmetry. I remember the first time we met, he said, "Don't make me a jacket. I will not wear anything that looks like a jacket." So it's been so much fun just working together. And of course, he's amazing as a human being, and which is what I value the most. He's an amazing person. He's been absolutely down to earth despite of his huge success, and he's kept himself so fit and so amazing, and he's such an amazing actor. So it's always a pleasure.
She already mentioned it's about aura, and I am a believer of positive aura and self-love. That's all about the creation, the aura inside you. And the positivity which we spread, it brings happiness to all of us. So that's how we connected. The first day when we met each other, she said about the aura. I said, wow, this is something, this will describe SR Queens Media, because we teach everyone to believe in self-love, to believe in positivity. So yeah.
Yeah, I'm very honored to be, actually standing next to her, because anybody who thinks about others while they are being successful and while they are, acing their game, I think that is one purpose I feel everyone should have, and that is the least we can do. When we are doing well, we should share it, and that's exactly what she's doing. So I'm very honored to be, working for you. And Nivedita, I think I can easily say none of my relatives or even my very close cousins, nobody's understood what I feel about wearing clothes and style and design. I don't know how she gets it, and I've been complimenting her since almost 10 years now. If you Google all my event appearances, 80% of the stuff which I've worn is by her. All the good ones. Anything bad is my choice. So I'm very amazed how she meets people, and in few minutes she gets your vibe and energy, and she has a very sharp ear, and she actually hears a lot, listens a lot, not just hears. So that is a great quality. Listening is a great quality. So I'm again happy to be, I think, walking for her for the first time, but all my outings have been thanks to her. And we did Bangalore. Yeah, sorry, my bad. इतना मैं कम रैंप पे चढ़ा हूँ कि मुझे याद थोड़ा था. But I love how the structure has, it's a surprising element of structure, लेकिन उसके underlying एक fluidity भी है. Everything goes with each other. What I love the most is the depth and construction. एक के ऊपर एक, मुझे language नहीं आती है इसकी. She would say it better, but she just puts one thing on top of other, but it still looks as a part of one piece. So that is something in layman's language which I am a big fan of. So thank you.
It's been 4 years now. What one word? I have 100 words for this. But yeah, nice association. I love to be a part of Bombay Times every time. and looking forward.
आई थिंक द मैवरिक्स मतलब एक ही है कुछ भी फैशन से रिलेटेड जो हम लोग साइकोलॉजी में सेकेंड ईयर में हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं. आई थिंक यू वुड अग्री. वेयर इज माई फ्रेंड? या सो देयर समथिंग कॉल्ड अवेलेबिलिटी ह्यूरिस्टिक्स वेयर जहाँ पे आप जो चीज़ बार बार इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको आती है आपको वो याद रह जाता है. सो व्हेन यू थिंक ऑफ फैशन यू ऑलवेज थिंक ऑफ Bombay Times Fashion Week. So yeah, you guys have achieved that. So congratulations.
No, I think the team at Bombay Times Fashion Week is absolutely exceptional. And they managed to build this like year after year and grow it bigger and bigger. So, which is amazing. So, 3 cheers to the team for sure. And no, it's always a beautiful experience.
I have something to say about Bombay Times. Yeah. You know, recently I did Milan Fashion Week. Okay. I was in Milan and I was so upset and so disappointed with the event and the management. I will say our India and the Bombay Times, of course, it stands out. The kind of luxury, the kind of treatment we give, nobody in the whole world can give it. I witnessed it, you know. Milan fashion is a disaster, man. Seriously.